Hello, this is Gary Garnett, and today I want to show you how to make a free online logo. So you go to www.launchaco.com/logo, click on Create Your Logo for Free, type in your domain name, which mine is listbuildingtool.com. Now you click on one of these fonts, and it'll make several different fonts for your icon. So just pick ones that you like. Then you pick a color that you might like. I picked the blue, and there's all these icons here that you can put on in front of your name, or you can also search, and I'm going to click on list. Click on search, and sometimes you have to click search again, and then it'll start scrolling. I kind of like this list right here. I'm going to click on that, and there's an icon made for you, list building tool. And there's several other ones you can pick from too, but I kind of like the first one that I saw. That one's pretty good. That one's good. I like it all in one line, but you can pick different colored ones, whatever you want. So I'm going to scroll up here and pick this one right here. So I click on it, and then you got to go down here, and there's a little arrow right in the bottom right hand corner. Click on download, and then I agree, let's download this. And then there's going to be a download start. So I'm going to click on that, show in the folder, and it's right here, download. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to go back to my screen, and then I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to right click it, go to WinZip. If you have a WinZip, then you can just extract it. I think there's RAW also is a free zip file program that you can use. So we'll just wait for that to download. There we go. I'll click on that. Then I stick it in here. I'm also going to change this, make it a new name, so I'm going to rename it. And it's going to be List Building Tool. And now I'm going to click inside of that. Okay. And you'll have different icons in here, versions of the one you pick. So if you want an icon above the font, you click on that. And then it's above the font. I kind of prefer the left icon left font. So, and these are PNG files. This building tool. So there you have a really nice looking icon. Okay, now what I like to do sometimes is I just like to copy this, and I'll just put it on my desktop here, and then I'm just going to rename it. So go down here, rename, and I'm going to put list, and then hyphen, building, and then hyphen, and then tool. Okay, so now that's called List Building Tool. And that's my icon. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of my other icons that I just built with this tool. I'm going to go under Logos. And where have I got here? Okay, Top IM News. That's one I just built. Top IM Training. These are all domain names that I have. Nice little guy standing there. I think they're pretty sharp looking little icons. Viral Share Generator. And I'm going to actually just drag and drop these things, the ones I just made, right in here. So this building tool, I'm going to put that in there like that. And now I've made 4 logos today with this software. So anyways, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.